Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jane. If you know me, welcome back. If you don't know me, I'm Jane, and I post video like mostly beauty related, but sometimes maybe be some other type video like hamster. Like, I don't know, minimalism, like something like that. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, but basically I post video. So thank you guys for being here for me. So if you have already seen the title, then you know this is gonna be a haul. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And oh my god, I feel so sick right now. Oh god, oh my god, I can't be sick. So without further ado, let's get into my video. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Yay, I finally got this. Yeah, this is 120, 130 maybe. This is 50ml one, and I freaking love it. At first, I got this as a sample size, and I was like, oh my god, that works amazing. And then I used my Shopper's PCL Optum points, sorry. So if you're in Canada, you know what I'm talking about, and if you're in America, UK, then you won't know. So I bought this one, and also this like in the same collection. It's just a repair eye cream. I bought this together, and I think I only spent $30, 30 something maybe. So that is, thank God so much. I only spent $30 on both, not both, like together. So yeah, I'm looking forward to use the eye cream. The next skincare, like the last skincare product, is Boscia MakeUp-BreakUp Cool Cleansing Oil. I got this from Winners or Marshalls, I can't remember, and it's $20. Come on, Boscia, $20, and I freaking love this cleansing oil. So, and you know what the funny thing is? There's like Boscia Sephora, and I got this from Winners. So yeah, that's interesting. Okay, next category is hair product. The first one I got is StriVectin hair in IA. Do I really need to say that? That's super long name. Anyway, this is their root lifting spray. I don't know what does it do for my hair. Lift your root. Oh yeah, I said volumizing. So yeah, make hair look good. I'll try it. The next one is same brand. This is their Vibrancy booster. This one sucks. Also, this one is conditioner for color. I used this two together the other day, and my hair is so freaking dry, and it feels like it's destroyed and damaged by cats. I don't know why I said that, but still, these two works awful. I don't know if they should work together, but come on, you're in the same collection. You should, I mean, you should work better when you know, use them together. But these two works horribly. And the next one is from BUMBLE and BUMBLE. They're invisible oil cleansing oil cream duo. I also got this from Winners, and this is $19.99, and I searched that on Sephora website. It's like $40. Yay! Oh my god, I saved my money. And this works amazing. Like last night I used this one, and I don't know what's the tea about this one is my hair feels light, like, you know, like it's not greasy and it's so clean, and I freaking love this one. And hopefully I can find another one in winners. The last category is makeup slash fragrance. The first one is StriVectin perfume in rain day. Also for a website, the 50 ml of this baby here is $99. But I got this one. This is 175 ml, is $59.99 at winners. So come on, I have to get this. And besides that, this smells so fresh, and it's not expensive. So yeah, that's. Oh my god, I feel so sick. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this bottle is beautiful. Okay, this bottle is just beautiful. I don't know why. I don't know. This is just. It smells amazing. Love it. Next two are the MAYBELLINE Master Chrom Metallic Highlighter in the shade 100 and 50. Molten gold on my skin right now. This just looks so beautiful. This one is a little bit pinky for me. Wait, how do I open it? This also feels nice, and I can't see pigment on my hand right now, but it looks good on my face. ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I think that is 30 something in Sephora, but I got this for $14.99 at winners. This is in the shade soft brown. I know, like, it's not really my shade right now because it's brown, but I'm thinking about dye my hair again, so that will work after I dye my hair. It's just you know, the packaging, but I got some single eyeshadows from NYX, and the shade are Blue Jeans, Beyond Nude, and Electric. Yeah, just Electric, right? Yeah, Electric. These three are from NYX, and this one is from Annabelle. I don't have that packaging anymore. This is from Annabelle. Like, recently I'm so into black eyeshadows. I don't know why, I just freaking love blue eyeshadows, and these swatches, they're soft and they're pigmented. I'll just do a swatch here. I'll just go here. Yeah, this beautiful, like a freaking mermaid. Product from NYX. NYX pigments in the shade Constellation. Okay, next is Ciate Linden Pure Pots top coat. A top coat I got from Winners, $3.99, and it claims that up to 80% of natural ingredients, which you know, like, I don't know, like, what does that mean, because that could mean, like, if I have 10 different kind of ingredients, then 8 out of 10 are natural ingredients, or like this is maybe like, let's say like 10 mils in total, and 80%, like 8 mils out of 10 mils product are made from ingredients. So, or the percentage of the ingredients used in this product. Like, it's not clear. Like, you didn't tell us what does that 80% mean. It's nice, it's a full size, and it's just $3.99. It's a steal. We are shopping in store. I know I just opened it last night, so it's sealed, right? But you can feel like what kind of products are in here, because they're like there are two. There is one Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in medium 2, and there's another NARS blush in Orgasm. This is a Hoola bronzer, which is, I think, is light. I think this is a little bit light for me. And this is the Bobbi Brown bronzer. This doesn't look like a bronzer. This looks so gray. Yeah, this looks so gray and chocolate on me. I don't. It looks like freaking chocolate. So I will try it. And then the last one, Orgasm. I don't want to swatch that one. It's so cute. I just want to use that on my face. So yeah. Oh god. Next, we got Cover FX Custom Cover Drops in the shade N60. So I have Wet n Wild foundation, which is way too light for me. Like girl, no. So I found this at Winners, and it retails for $9.99. And I was thinking, okay, that's a deal. So I just want to mix this with my foundation, you know, to make it looks not too crazy on my face. Oh my god, I just found this one at Sephora website. It retails $56 and $99. No, $9.99 at Winners. And there is another Cover FX. I just said Cover F, like F. So yeah, this is their custom enhancer drops. This is in the shade Rose Gold, and also this retails for $9.99 at Winner. Come on. Today I'm just, I don't know, like, it is so bad on this video. Like, this looks so beautiful, and I use this one as my highlighter, and it's really subtle, and yeah, it looks beautiful. And also this one on Sephora website is retail for $52. So yeah, do the math, guys. Last product is lipstick topper from Too Faced. This is Mermaid Tears. I even don't remember like which year this collection was out. I think that is pretty old, but still, look at the packaging. I already have Unicorn's Tear lip topper, and this one is I don't know, this looks a little weird. oh yeah, this looks a little bit weird, but still. It's, oh yeah, there is a shifting and also it looks purple. Nice. And this retails for $7.99. So this is my first part of my haul, which is the part I didn't regret buying. And next video is about my second part of my haul, which haven't arrived yet. And heads up, is the ordinary. So I'll explain why I hauled the ordinary on the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh my god, my hands are so good, so I can't kiss you. Just bye! Mwah.